Targets provide powerful guidance for when it comes to getting results from your diet. They're not set in stone and some flexibility is required, but they can be a really powerful tool to help you stay on track and understand where you're at and make sure that you can get real, actionable, quantifiable results. For fat loss, the main targets to focus on are overall calories and protein. Calories are the energy held within food, and if you consume more than you burn on a regular basis, you will gain weight and body fat. The trick with calories is not to be too rigid, but ensure your average intake matches your daily target. For example, if your daily target is 2,000 calories, you may eat less than this on some days and more on others, but the goal is to make sure the rolling average is more or less 2,000. We suggest at least 2 weeks of data is needed to really see where the trend is going. But it's also important to know that if you do track for 2 weeks consistently and your trend is not going in the way that you want, you need to adjust accordingly. If you're trying to lose weight and you're not changing, then adjust your targets down by 10% and see how that goes. If you're trying to lose weight and you're gaining weight, adjust your targets down by 20%. Within your total calories are protein, fats, and carbs, the 3 macronutrients that make up all the food we eat. We suggest focusing on protein mainly when it comes to targets because protein needs to be more or less consistent on a daily basis, but it doesn't seem to matter so much if you change the amount of fats and carbs you eat on a daily basis. So long as calories are accounted for and equated, you'll get more or less the same results when it comes to fat loss. Aim for around 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, or around 1.6 to 1.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. If you manage protein and calories, whilst also eating a balanced diet with plenty of healthy fats, fruits and vegetables, then we tend to find things balance out pretty well.